Welcome to GLAATORY. Today's video I'll be showing you how I make this shortbread. All you needed is just few ingredients. Here I'm using my room temperature butter and powdered sugar. I'll be mixing both to well combine. I'll be listing the quantity and the right measurement that I use for this recipe. You just have to whisk it until everything is well combined. So I'll be adding my salt and vanilla flavor. So it's important to use a room temperature butter because it's easy to mix it and it makes it more easier for you. Here I added my cornstarch and I added my flour. All-purpose flour is what I use, and I'll mix everything to form a dough. So if today's your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. So for those of you joining me for the first time, remember to follow me on my Facebook at GLAATORY Flavors and on my YouTube channel at GLAATORY. Please subscribe and click on the notification button so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see it. Here I molded it into 50 grams. So I'll be using this mold for my shortbread. You can see I have already placed it. All I need to do is to press it down. You see here, it's already pressed down. I'll be baking it for 30 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. All done. But if you don't have this mold, you can just spray it on a pan and then slice it the way you want it. But I prefer to use the mold. You can see it came out so well. This is very easy recipe. If you can do it on your own, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try? Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can make it at the comfort of your home with the ingredient you have at home. You can see it came out so well. And the aroma and the taste is unimaginable. Very yummy and sweet aroma. So remember to like my video, comment and share. It costs you nothing. Don't just watch, make sure you share and also comment. You can see it looks so yummy. Very nice. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.